Morning, everyone. This is Nawaz sir here. Right, we were doing important questions. This is chapter number 5, question number 11, and hopefully, this will be the last part of this chapter. The question here is find the amount and compound interest on rupees 8,000 at 5% per annum for 2 years compounded annually. Okay, so the question here is to find the amount on compound interest on rupees 8,000 at 5% per annum for 2 years compounded annually. So now for this question, first we will be writing the formula for amount on compound interest. Okay, formula for amount on compound interest so amount on compound interest compounded annually is given by A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n, where P is principal amount, R is the rate of interest. So now here the principal amount is rupees 8,000. So amount is equal to 8,000 into 1 plus R. R is what? The rate of interest is given as 5. So 5 by 100 to the power of 2. So A is equal to 8,000. Upon cancellation, this one will be 5 1 the 5, 20. So this is 1 plus 1 by 20 whole power of 2. Now, there is 1 and 1 plus this one is 1 plus 1 by 20. So there is nothing below 1. So that means 1 is there. So the LCM of 1 and 20 is 20. Okay. So after taking the LCM, we get this as 20 plus 1 by 20 to the power of 2. That is A is equal to 8,000 into 21 by 20 to the power of 2. So now that is 8,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Cancel these zeros. So 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 2s are 8. So we are left with A is equal to 20 into 21 into 21. So now 21 into 21 is, this is 441. Multiplying this, we get this as double this 441. You get it as 882. 0 is there, so 8,820. So this is your amount. Now what is asking is also asking us to find the amount we have found. Now compound interest. So compound interest will be equal to amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. So 8,820 minus 8,000 is 820. So compound interest is 820 and amount is 8,820. Please make a note of this. We'll go for question number 12. Question number 12 is find the difference between compound and simple interest on rupees 10,000. Question number 12. Find the difference between compound and simple interest. Compound and simple interest on amount of rupees 10,000 on amount of rupees 10,000 at a rate of 10% per annum, at a rate of 10% per annum for 2 years. For 2 years, and check the better one. For 2 years and check the better one. So now here we have to find both the compound interest as well as the simple interest on amount of rupees 10,000. That means the principal amount is 10,000. Principal P is equal to 10,000 at a rate of 10% per annum. So the rate of interest is 10% per annum, and T is 2 here. For simple interest we take T, and in compound interest we will take it as L. Okay, so simple interest is very easy to find, so I am doing first simple interest, later on we will be doing the compound interest. So simple interest is equal to PTR by 100, that is 10,000 into 2 into 10 divided by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 1000 into 2 is 2000. Now here we got the simple interest. Now for finding compound interest, we have to find the amount on compound interest, then only we will be able to find the compound interest. So amount using that is principal into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N. So A is equal to 10,000 into 1 plus R. R is what? R is 10 by 100. Number of years are 2. Okay. So now A is equal to 10,000 into, here is this 1 0 get cancelled, again this comes as 1 plus 1 by 10 to the power of 2. So this one is 11 by 10 whole square. So 10,000 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10, 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. So this is coming as 100 into 121. So 121 means 12,100. Amount on compound interest we are getting it as 12,100. So compound interest will be equal to amount minus principal, that is 12,100 minus 10,000. So we will get this as 2,100. What is this? This is our compound interest. What he is asking? He is asking us to find the difference between compound and simple interest. So difference is equal to compound interest minus simple interest. So that is 2100 minus 2000. So the difference is of 100. And the better one is simple interest. Simple interest is easy to find, and the like you will save some amount also on simple interest. Okay, please make a note of this. We'll be doing question number 13. Question number 13 is calculate compound interest on rupees 100. Question number 13. Calculate compound interest on rupees 100. Calculate compound interest on rupees 100 over a period of over a period of 1 year. At 10% per annum. At 10% per annum if interest is compounded half-yearly. If interest is compounded half-yearly. Now here is a question wherein he is asking us to find the compound interest on rupees 100. Compound interest on rupees 100 over a period of 1 year at 10% per annum if interest is compounded half-yearly. Here the interest is compounded half-yearly. So in a year, how many half years will be there? 2 half years will be there. So here the principal is 100. Principal is 100. R is 10, and N will be 2. N will be 2. Again, amount is equal to principal into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n. So P is 100 into 1 plus n by 100 to the power of 0, 0 cancel. 100 into, if you take the LCM, so this is 1 plus 1 by 10 to the power of 2. So 100 into 11 by 10 whole square. So 100 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. Now these zeros get cancelled. 11 into 11 is 121. So compound interest will be equal to amount minus principal, that is 121 minus 100. That comes as 21. Okay. That was question number 13. Now last question is on it is a real life application. Is a real life application wherein we can apply this in calculating the populations also. This formulas we can apply in calculating the population also. See this one. Question is, find the population of a city after 2 years after 2 years, which is at present 12 lakhs, which is at present 12 lakhs, if the rate in increase is 4%. If the rate of increase is 4%. Now here is a city which has a present population of 12 lakhs, and we need to find the population after 2 years, and the rate of increase in population is 4%. Obviously, if it is a city and after 2 years, definitely there will be a increase in population, and that increase he has given it in percentage. So we have to find the exactly what population it would be. So population. So let's do this with the compound interest formula. With compound interest formula, amount for compound interest formula. So here we have n is equal to 2, and R is 4, that is rate of interest. Principal P is 12 lakhs. So 12 lakhs means 120, 1200, 12,000, 1,20,000, 12 lakhs. Okay. So population after 2 years. Let me go directly. Population after 2 years. That is, I am using the formula of amount is equal to principal. That amount using the compound interest formula. That is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n. So now here it is 12 lakh principal, 1 plus R is 4 by 100 to the power of n is 2. Okay. Now we can cancel this. For 1s are 4, 25. So 12, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 plus 1 by 25 whole square. Now 12, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 into this one will be 26 by 25 whole square. Okay. So now 12, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 into 26 into 26 divided by 25 into 25. Okay. So now let's cancel this. How much is this going to be? 12, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, into 26 into 26 by 25 into 25. Now see this one. How I am cancelling. 25 ones are 25 fours are 25 fours are 100. Okay, 20 remains. 20 and 0 makes 20. 20 and 0 makes 200. So 25 8s are 200. Okay, and these 3 zeros as it is. Okay, now with 25 also we are going to cancel it. 25 ones are, and here 25 ones are itself. 23 remains. 48 minus 25 is 23. 23 and 0 makes 230. So 25 nines are wicked. Okay. So again 5 remains. 5 and 0 makes 50. So 2 and 0 as it is. So 1920 it is coming as 1920 into 26 into 26 is this comes as 676, right? Yeah, 676. Now what I suggest, multiply this 1920 and this one. If you do, you will get the answer as 12 lakh 96,000. 12 lakh 96,000 will be the answer. Okay, so please make a note of this. Here we have completed the important questions on chapter 5, that is, what was the chapter name? Comparing quantities using proportion. The next chapter we'll be doing it into the next video. The chapter name is square roots and cube roots. And please, I request you all to kindly subscribe to my channel and share it with your dear and near, and don't forget to like. Thank you very much. Have a good day.